Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, I got the inspiration to create the photo transformation of this one guys, or this look. How to create this one, so stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use over here is the Nano Banana in the Google AI Studio. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email, and after that you can continue to click try Nano Banana over here, and you can start to upload the file, which means the previous picture you have. For example, I use this one, and after that I will use this prompt to create this photo transformation. So the prompt's gonna be like this: transform this image into the mystical and natural infused portrait of a person embodying a forest spirit or guardians, and also the person's head and face are intricately covered with lush green moss and also dark green ivy vines like this. I will start to make it a little bit smaller as the preference, and also as if that they are emerging directly from the forest floor, and also small water droplets, this one or this one, or dew cling to the foliage and subtly on their skin, and also giving a fresh damp feel. And also their eyes are open and look directly forward with a profound and also perhaps ancient and somewhat melancholic expression. And also for the another detail will be a full natural beard is presented, also partially interwoven with moss and tiny natural elements. And also the background is dark and atmospheric and slightly blurred deep forest, and also emphasizing the object connection to nature. And also the lighting should be soft, diffused and moody, evoking a damp magical forest environment. So the overall aesthetic is earthy, powerful, deeply connected to the wilderness with a hint of sorrow or wisdom. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the process down here, and maybe after waiting for 15 seconds until 30 seconds, so you will see the result or the output like this guys. And if you'd like to get the a little bit different look, so you can continue to click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another output. So this will be the another output we have, and if you like it, then you can start to download it. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this prompt, and if you wanna try this prompt, you can also let us know if this prompt also work for you guys. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.